RSM Pharma, a reputed pharmaceutical company, was incorporated in 1989 and was acquired in the year 2000. RSM Pharma have been pioneers in the field of distribution of pharmaceutical products, giving the best of services with involvement of latest technology.
RSM Pharma is one of the leading distributing network in pharmaceutical products in Karnataka. It was mid-2000 when we had acquired the management of RSM Pharma, and the time when we had acquired, I was in chartered accountancy profession. After acquisition of this concern, our target was to achieve a turnover of 40 lakhs per month, and with our best efforts, we achieved a turnover of 50 lakhs per month in the very first year. Thereafter, we never looked behind. From a turnover of rupees 3 crore per annum during the year 2000, friends, we have reached to a turnover of 80 crores this year, and we are going to reach a turnover of about 100 crores during the next financial year 2011-12.
Situated in the heart of Bangalore city, RSM Pharma Private Limited is one of the leading distributors of medicine to retail outlets. Being in pharma distribution since the last 3 decades, RSM Pharma signifies reliability, security, and maturity.
We at RSM Pharma believe in strong fundamentals in terms of customer reach, customer service, and a very sound human resource management. Employee benefit has been taken utmost care, and to testify the same, we have been instrumental in providing sites to the employees in reputed layouts. We believe that our continuous engagement with the customer and providing them the latest technology will always keep RSM Pharma in the top league. My goal is to help RSM Pharma to achieve 500 crores with 1000 employees in a span of 5 years. And to achieve this, I need all the supports from the customers, from the suppliers, and all my employees. And I'm confident that you all will give me such support.
With a strong culture with structured business approach, RSM Pharma is one among the top 3 wholesalers in Bangalore, which has a distribution of over 10,500 products to 3,500 retailers in and around Bangalore city. RSM Pharma Private Limited has over 18,000 square feet of stores and warehouse space. It has the largest cold storage unit among pharma distributors. RSM Pharma has the best-in-class technology, backup systems, well-trained customer service desk, excellent logistic services, and fleet of two-wheelers and delivery vans. The infrastructural facilities available in RSM Pharma are widely appreciated by their esteemed customers and suppliers.
Having heard that RSM has completed 10 years of service, really a pleasure doing business with them. Excellent business relations with them, excellent service from them. Hope them the best.
ನಾನು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಜೆಟಿಂಗು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈವನ್ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ನಾವೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ.
RSM ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮಾರು 14 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ, ಮಡಿವಾಳ, ಹುಲ್ಸಂಗಣ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಬಾಯ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಏನು, ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಚೆಕ್ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಂದರೂ ನಾವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಲೇಟ್ 45 ಡೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
RSM Pharma has a strong sales force of about 70 who are dynamic, committed, and share a major responsibility of increasing the volume of sales.
I'm a sales manager over here. My guys are working, I'm handling 42 members of sales team over here, and my guys are very dedicatedly working in the field for the progress of the company, and with a very good back support given by my MD.
Nearly 43 executives working together as a team member in RSM family. I am proud to be one of a member in the RSM family, and we all work together as a team, and we are reaching our target by the support of our MD and HODs, and we are sure that in the coming year of by completing by 2011 we will be in the great height.
I handle operations of RSM Pharma. My role is to see that all customers are satisfied, and we provided a comfortable atmosphere to all the employees. Prime focus is to see that there is no unsatisfied customers, and for that I and my team ready to solve any problems. Typically my day is very busy, but I won't get tired as we have a young and cooperative team.
RSM Pharma has well-sequenced procedures to maintain a good relationship and goodwill with its customers. They are booking orders by well-trained field sales officers, back office in RSM wherein a team of experienced billing executives work on network computing systems, stores department which ensures that the booked orders are effectively withdrawn and are made ready for speedy dispatch, timely deliveries of orders to the customers.
RSM people, they're giving a very good service, so should support continue also.
Their service is good. I am very happy with their service.
I'm happy with the services of RSM, so I wish them all the best, and I wish I get still better services from them.
RSM has grown leaps and bounds in last 10 years, and I wish all the best for next 10 years for RSM.
The backbone of the organization is its financial capabilities and its structure of inflow and outflow.
Taking care of human resources in RSM family, we believe, trust and care our employees. We love to be a preferred partner in growth for all, forever.
I head collection department. We are proud to be associated with RSM Pharma.
We are a team of 9 members. Our main job is placing orders to the companies and receipt of the purchases. We do maintain good stocks and schemes to improve the sales. Our future vision is to improve the sales by 100 crores with the support of purchases and good schemes.
Major certifications received by RSM Pharma Private Limited. Best Stockist for 2009-10 by Piramal Healthcare. Certificate of Appreciation by Alchem. Certificate of Cold Chain Management by Eli Lilly & Co.
It's not only about numbers. It's very important for me to develop more happy customers, more happy employees and more happy suppliers. So the bottom line is to see how RSM Pharma becomes the preferred supplier of the chemist fraternity and become the preferred partner in growth. Growth not only in terms of turnover, but growth in terms of reliability, security and maturity. And that is RSM for you.
RSM Pharma is firmly based on the principles of trust, relationship, quality and timely services to its valued customers.
RSM ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರ್ತಾರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RSM ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
RSM Pharma मेडिकल मार्केट में एक ऐसा नाम है जिन्होंने कम समय में अपने आप को स्थापित किया है. लोग ये मानते हैं कि जो ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट देता है उस होलसेलर से रिटेलर ज़्यादा दवाई खरीदते हैं, लेकिन ऐसी बात नहीं है. RSM Pharma में कुछ तो खास है. एक सफल होलसेलर वो होता है जिनके पास आइटम्स अवेलेबिलिटी, सर्विस, डिस्काउंट, सही स्कीम मिलना, एक्सपायरी का सही रिप्लेसमेंट, उसके अलावा उनका पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप और ये सारे गुण RSM Pharma में है. तो आज के इस कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट में मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि RSM Pharma नंबर 1 होलसेलर्स की लिस्ट में वो भी एक शुमार है. RSM Pharma के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Its motto lies in high quality performance in catering to the requirements of pharma retailers by providing professional and sensitive service. As a result, is crowned as the most preferred pharmaceutical distributors in the country.